Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra may share the 5,000 mAh battery capacity with its predecessor, the Galaxy S23 Ultra, but it significantly outshines it in terms of endurance, surpassing even the iPhone 15 Pro Max, known for its remarkable battery life. The S24 Ultra sets a new standard among flagship phones, particularly those not tailored for gaming. Our rigorous battery tests, which involve web surfing over a 5G connection at 150 nits of screen brightness, typically deem smartphones worthy of our best battery life list if they endure 12 hours or more on a single charge. The S24 Ultra, however, stands out as the benchmark for non-gaming flagships. The S23 Ultra managed an impressive 1399 endurance in 6 days mode, sacrificing some display smoothness for extended battery life. We plan to evaluate the S24 Ultra under similar conditions to gauge its performance. Comparatively, the iPhone 15 Pro Max achieved a commendable 14.2 in our battery test, yet falls nearly 3 hours short of the S24 Ultra. Even the Pixel 8 Pro with a runtime of 10.3 lags more than 6 hours behind Samsung's latest powerhouse. While the S24 Ultra doesn't claim the crown for the overall longest-lasting phone, that distinction goes to the Asus ROG Phone, a gaming-oriented device with the same Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. The new chip likely contributes to the substantial battery life disparity between the S24 Ultra and its predecessor. Qualcomm's promise of 25 improved efficiency for the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 over the Gen 2 manifests dramatically in the result. Notably, there's more good news on the charging front. With a 45U USB-C charger, the Galaxy S24 Ultra achieved a 71 charge in just 30 minutes, surpassing the 41 mark with a 20W Apple charger. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra emerges as one of the longest-lasting phones to date. For an in-depth analysis, explore our Galaxy S24 Ultra hands-on review for a comprehensive look at the device's strengths and weaknesses.